Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for July 13th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened gap down but traded with a positive bias and scripted a stellar recovery to close mostly flat. The NSE index closed with gains of 4.10 points or 0.02% at 24,211. The recovery seen today was due to correction in crude oil prices, value buying at lower levels, and technical support near 24,000. The sectors traded mixed with IT, gaining the most as it gained 3.59% at close. FMCG emerged as today's worst performing sector. Volatility for the index witnessed a spike. Levels may be adjusted upwards as compared to what we mentioned in today's pre-market report, with supports being at 24,165, followed by 24,055, while resistances may be placed at 24,300, followed by 24,420. For tomorrow, consolidation within a range may be expected to continue with a slight negative bias to account for some mild profit booking amid Nifty weekly expiry. Stabilization of crude oil prices at lower levels may support and help recovery, while a price spike may cause a correction. Trading between levels seems prudent for now with respect to the NSE index. Nifty may be expected to be more bullish above 24,535, while a correction below 23,400 could make the index bearish. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex 2 closed flat with a slight positive bias as it gained 0.06% or approximately 47 points to end the day, at approximately 77,616. No changes are required to the levels for Sensex, with supports being at 77,280, followed by 76,915, while resistances may be placed at 77,725, followed by 78,110. The BSE index may be expected to be bullish above 78,385, while a break below 75,790 could indicate bearish sentiment strengthening. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices opened gap up and then corrected to lower levels and is currently trading with a negative momentum. Continued escalations in the West Asia conflict between the US and Iran caused the spike, but reports of some vessels making it through the Strait of Hormuz caused a correction. Volatility is still elevated but has dipped as compared to Friday. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards, with supports now being at 7,000 followed by 6,920, while resistances may be placed at 7,085 followed by 7,145. For today, crude oil prices may once again be expected to be volatile, and its negative momentum may persist till it comes back in range unless fresh escalations cause a recovery. Supply disruption from the Middle East via the Strait of Hormuz is currently being balanced out by increased production from OPEC Plus amid uncertain global demand, as most markets are volatile. Traders may ride the negative momentum or wait for a reversal near support levels while maintaining strict stop losses. The commodity may witness positive momentum, intensifying above 7,290, while a break below 6,425 could cause negative momentum to dominate. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. TCS has expanded its long-standing partnership with ABB through a new multi-year agreement to manage the company's global network operations. Under the AI-powered network-as-a-service model, TCS will deliver end-to-end network services, further strengthening its position in enterprise AI and digital transformation. Bharat Dynamics shares fell over 3%, after reports suggested that the Defense Ministry may allow private companies to manufacture the Astra Mark II missile. The proposed move could increase competition in India's defense manufacturing sector, leading to cautious sentiment around the stock. LTM has partnered with Anthropic to integrate its Claude AI models into the company's enterprise AI platform. LTM will also establish a dedicated center of excellence and train thousands of engineers, reinforcing its focus on accelerating AI adoption for enterprise clients. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted over the weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Sector Retracement Strategy for Stock Options, consistent high probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Candle Psychology with OI Shift Strategy using VWAP, EMA, RSI, and volume indicators. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.